to be able to go back to the menu after you're done each one of these processes. So at the very top here, let's do a flag and do start. And then after create here, after pause, we're going to do go to start. So go back to the start. We'll do that one on this one after we're done that too. So now if we run it, we can do create just like that. Oops, sorry about that. And then what would your password like to be? I'll do Justin. Press any key to continue, and it went back to the menu. Once again, it did not erase the screen, so after start, let's clear the screen again, and we should be done the very first part. So create, let's do hi again, and once again, we're back at the screen, and we can double check, and it said hi. So that's the very first part. The second part's a little bit harder. So I'm just going to stop the video because my voice is hurting, and I'll come back to you and teach you the second part. Okay, so the next bit of code here, we're actually going to be asking the user what his password or her password is, then opening up the text document, and then extracting all the text in that text document, saving it as a variable, and then comparing both the what the user says his password is and the saved password, and if they're correct, should match, and if they're incorrect, they should not match. So first, let's ask the user what his password is. So set space /p, so you set password. Let's say that as password 1 equals, and what is your password, just like that. And then next line, we're actually going to be opening up the text document and extracting the values in there. So first off, we're going to do for, and this is using the for command, using the switch /f. So for space /f. You can also copy this out of the description if you don't want to follow along with me right now. So for space /f space quotation mark, and we're going to be doing DELIMS, and this stands for delimiter, and this is basically if you have more than one value in your text document, you can search through different lines and different columns and stuff like that. For now, we want to leave it blank because we're only working with one value in our text document, so we're not going to worry about that. So just do space and blank and do another quotation mark. Next off, we're going to be doing a token, so that means 2% signs, then an A after it. And basically that will, it's a typing variable, and then and then we'll look in our text document. So here we'll just type in our text document here, test.txt, just like that, and then we'll have it do, and then a bracket, and 2 lines down we're going to do another bracket. So it's going to do everything in between these 2 brackets. Basically all we want to do here is save this variable as something we can use later on. So let's do set, and let's call this variable text to equal A, just like that. Now we're good to go. Text should equal whatever's in our test file. Now all we have to do is compare the password 1 and the text, and so let's just have an if statement. If password 1 is equal to 2 equal signs, and let's do another 2% signs, text go to correct, and if it's wrong, it'll just keep on going. So over here, let's have colon correct, and we'll leave that for a second. Let's go to if it's wrong. So if it's wrong, it's just going to keep on going. It's not going to jump to correct. So right below here should be what is if it's incorrect. So let's do echo. You are wrong. Check out his channel by clicking on the click me button on your screen. Once again, that's Con Wise with 2 N's. And if you want to be part of the Pick Me program, all you have to do is go into my latest video, leave a comment, leave a normal comment first. I would really appreciate it. I've noticed that I've got lots of Pick Me comments, and it's kind of getting a little bored of it. But just leave a normal comment and then say Pick Me, and you can say Pick Me as many times as you want, and I might pick you. So I guess that's all. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. That's all from Technology Crazy. Goodbye.